Using a home equity loan can be a strategic way to build wealth. There are several ways to leverage this type of loan to increase one's financial assets. For instance, the funds can be used to finance a new business venture, which could potentially generate additional income. Similarly, the loan can be used to expand an existing business, also leading to increased revenue and wealth. Additionally, the funds can be utilized to improve one's home through remodeling or adding features, which can be a worthwhile investment, especially since the interest on the loan may be tax deductible. Home maintenance and repairs can be costly, and using a home equity loan for these purposes can help reduce expenses. The proceeds from a home equity loan can also be used for investment purposes, such as purchasing or building rental properties. Furthermore, investing in education by using the loan to cover educational expenses, rather than relying on expensive private student loans, can be a smart decision with long-term benefits. Overall, a home equity loan can be a valuable tool for building wealth when used wisely.